How many mornings have you awakened already carrying a life that never truly belonged to you? How much of your life was chosen by you, and how much was quietly chosen before you arrived? You learned how to build a routine, but when did that routine quietly begin building you instead? Some mornings begin to feel less like living and more like repeating yesterday, without asking why. Have you ever wondered where everyone is rushing, or simply accepted that you should too? When everyone follows the same path, how often do you stop and ask where that path is taking you? When did following everyone else's direction become easier than asking where you truly wanted to go? How many dreams became impractical only because someone else taught you what a good life should be? When did you last look at the life you were building and ask whether you actually wanted to live it? Perhaps the hardest path to question is the one you have followed so long. It no longer feels like a choice. Who taught you what success should look like before you were old enough to decide what mattered to you? What if the life you work so hard to build was simply the life you were taught to want all along? How many things have you achieved, only to discover the next thing was already waiting to replace them? What if you keep chasing the next achievement because no one taught you when you were allowed to stop? Could you spend your whole life becoming successful at something you never consciously chose for yourself? Before you learned what life should become, do you remember what made you curious just because it could? When did not knowing where a path would lead stop feeling exciting and start feeling dangerous to you? Before life became something to prove, do you remember when simply feeling alive was reason enough to go? How many versions of your future disappeared before you noticed you had stopped imagining them at all? Maybe you were never afraid of choosing wrong until the world convinced you there was one right path. What if the person you once hoped to become is still waiting beneath everything you learned to become? Maybe finding yourself is not becoming someone new, but questioning what made you abandon who you were. What changes when you stop asking what you should do and finally ask what feels meaningful to you? What if changing your life begins with one quiet choice nobody else needs to understand or approve of? How different could your life become if you chose one small direction simply because it felt like yours? What if the path that feels unfamiliar is only frightening because you have spent years walking the same one? How many directions have you never explored, simply because everyone around you kept walking another way? When did doing nothing become uncomfortable, as if every quiet moment had to justify its place in your life? Who might you become if every hour of your life no longer needed to prove that you were worth something? Maybe freedom is not escaping your life, but learning to move through it without abandoning yourself again. What if becoming yourself has less to do with finding answers and more with choosing what deserves you? What if the right life is not a perfect path, but one where you finally decide which turns are worth taking? How much of what you call certainty is really just familiarity with choices you have already outgrown? What if uncertainty is not a sign you are lost, but proof you are finally somewhere your old map cannot guide you? Maybe you do not need to know exactly who you are becoming before you stop living as who you were told to be. What parts of you become visible only when you stop performing long enough to notice they were always there? What if there is not one right way to live, only a life that becomes yours when you finally choose it? If nobody could see your choices, praise them, envy them, or judge them, what kind of life would you choose? Maybe the life you actually want is not louder or bigger. Maybe it simply feels more like you when no one's watching. You do not need your whole life figured out tonight. You will only need the courage to make the next choice yours. Maybe trust begins when you stop demanding proof of where the road ends before you are willing to take a step. What if clarity does not come before the next step, but because you were willing to take it without having all the answers? When the path you planned disappears, do you call yourself lost, or do you finally allow yourself to choose another? What if there was never a path meant for you to find? Only choices waiting for you to make them yours. Maybe becoming yourself begins when you stop searching for permission and start choosing where your feet go. What would happen if you stopped asking where you are supposed to end up and started noticing where you feel alive? How much of your life have you missed while chasing the person you thought you were supposed to become? What if changing direction does not mean you chose wrong? It means you are finally responding to the life in front of you. Maybe growth is not choosing perfectly. Maybe it is noticing what is in front of you and letting yourself adjust. And what if there is no final version of you to reach, only a life you keep choosing as you become? How much of who you think you are was chosen by you, and how much was simply handed to you before you knew to ask? Before the world asked what you would become, did you ever need your life to make sense before you could imagine it? Maybe you do not discover who you are all at once. Maybe you create yourself in choices too small to impress anyone. What if you could leave parts of your future unfinished without treating the blank spaces like something was wrong? Maybe freedom is not finally knowing where you are going. Maybe it is knowing the next choice can belong to you. And when you stop living towards some imagined finish line, what parts of your actual life finally come into view? How different would your life feel if every choice did not have to prove that you were becoming the right person? She came back to the same city, the same life, the same unanswered future. But now, the next move would finally be made by her.